Are you still living paycheck to paycheck, wondering where all your money goes? It feels like you're stuck in a cycle you can't escape. You work hard, you earn a decent income, but at the end of the month, your bank account is right back where it started. If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. But the good news is, understanding the problem is the first step to fixing it. Today, we're going to break down the 5 hidden reasons why you might still be broke and, more importantly, what you can do about it, starting right now. First up is a big one: you spend emotionally. Think about the last time you felt stressed, bored, or even really happy. Did you celebrate with a shopping spree or comfort yourself with an impulse buy online? That's emotional spending. It's when your feelings, not your budget, are in control of your wallet. You see something you want, you get a rush from buying it, but later, that feeling is replaced by regret. You're not budgeting, you're reacting. This reactive spending is a major drain on your finances because it's unplanned and often unnecessary. The quick dopamine hit from a new purchase phase, but the hole in your bank account remains. To break this habit, you need to become aware of it. Here's a simple but powerful tip. Start using a spending tracker. For the next 7 days, just write down every single thing you buy. Don't judge it, just track it. This small act of observation will shine a light on your patterns and help you understand the triggers behind your emotional spending. Awareness is your first line of defense. The second reason you might be struggling is that you don't pay yourself first. Here's what that looks like for most people. Your paycheck hits your account, and what's the first thing you do? You pay your rent, your car payment, your credit card bills, your utilities. You buy groceries and cover other immediate needs. After all of that, you look at what's left and tell yourself, okay, I'll save whatever is left over, but more often than not, what's left is little to nothing. You've paid everyone else before you've paid the most important person, your future self. This approach guarantees that saving will always be an afterthought, not a priority. You need to flip the script. The moment your paycheck arrives, before you pay a single bill, transfer a portion of it into a separate savings or investment account. This is the pay yourself first principle. A great starting point is to aim for 10%. If your paycheck is $1,000, immediately move to $100 into savings. Then, you live off the remaining $1,800. This simple shift in order changes everything. It forces you to adjust your spending to what's left, rather than hoping there's something left to save. It turns saving from a leftover into a non-negotiable expense, just like your rent. Reason number 3, you're drowning in small, seemingly insignificant expenses. We often focus on big-ticket items like rent or car payments, but it's the little leaks that can sink the ship. That $5 coffee every morning, the $10 lunch you grabbed because you didn't pack one, that streaming service you forgot you were even subscribed to. Each one feels harmless on its own, but they add up fast. Let's do some simple math. That $5 daily coffee isn't just $5. It's $150 a month. That's $1,800 a year. Think about all the subscriptions you have on autopay. Music, movies, news, software, gym memberships you don't use. These silent money drains can easily cost you hundreds of dollars every single month without you even noticing. It's time for an audit. Here is your action step. Pull up your bank statement and identify 3 recurring autopay services you can live without. Cancel them today, not tomorrow, today. This small cleanup can instantly free up a significant amount of cash that you can redirect towards your savings or debt. It's about being intentional with every dollar, not just the big ones. The 4th major roadblock is that you're not investing. If your money is just sitting in a standard savings account, it's actually losing value over time. Why inflation? Inflation is the rate at which the cost of goods and services rises, which means the purchasing power of your money decreases. The 1% interest you might be earning in a high-yield savings account just can't keep up with an inflation rate of 3 or 4%. Your money is essentially on a slow-moving treadmill, going backward. Investing, on the other hand, allows your money to work for you and grow at a rate that can outpace inflation. Many people are scared to invest because they think it is complicated or that you need a lot of money to start. That's a myth. You don't need to be a Wall Street expert. You can start small and stay consistent. Thanks to modern apps and robo-advisors, you can start investing with as little as $100 a month. Let's look at the power of compounding. If you invest just $100 a month with an average annual return, it could grow to over $50,000 in 20 years. The key is to start small, be consistent, and let time do the heavy lifting. Don't let your savings get eaten away by inflation. Put your money to work. Finally, the fifth reason you're still broke is something called lifestyle creep. This is a subtle but powerful trap. Here's how it works. You get a raise or a promotion at work. You're making more money, which is fantastic, but what happens next? You upgrade your apartment to a nicer one with higher rent. You trade in your perfectly good car for a newer, more expensive model. You start eating out at fancier restaurants and buying designer clothes. Before you know it, your expenses have risen to meet your new income. Even though you're earning more, you're saving the exact same amount as before, or maybe even less. Your income goes up, but your savings rate stays flat. You're on a hamster wheel, running faster just to stay in the same place financially. The solution is to be proactive. The next time you get a raise, make a plan for that extra money before it even hits your bank account. A great rule of thumb is to match every raise with a savings bump. If your salary increases by $500 a month, commit to increasing your automatic savings or investment contributions by at least half of that $250. This way, you can enjoy some of your hard-earned money while also accelerating your journey to financial freedom. So, let's recap the 5 reasons you might be stuck: emotional spending, paying yourself last, drowning in small expenses, not investing, and lifestyle creep. Looking at this list might feel overwhelming, but don't let it paralyze you. The goal isn't to fix everything overnight. The goal is to start. Pick one. Just one of these issues that resonates with you the most, and commit to tackling it this week. Is it tracking your spending for 7 days? Is it canceling 3 subscriptions? Is it setting up your first automatic investment of just $50 a month? Choose one small, achievable action and do it. Once you've conquered that, move on to the next. Building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about creating small, sustainable habits that compound over time. You have the power to change your financial future. It all begins with the decision to start today. Thanks for watching. If you want to continue learning how to manage your money smartly and build a better financial future, make sure to subscribe to the channel. We post new content every week to help you on your journey. We'll see you in the next video.